So this here is the Grampa's weeder. This is one of the handiest tools that we have out in our garden as we try to pull up weeds. We used to do it the old-fashioned way, bend over, lean down, grab them, and end up with a sore back. This is a very convenient tool that will spare your back. You can see here, this is the end of the tool. And what it essentially is doing is as you press this into the ground, this little lift mechanism will kind of hit the surface of the ground and pinch down on the weed. So it's really just a three-step process. You just center this over the weed, press it down, and then pull it out, and you've got your weed. And we'll demonstrate that here in a second. Construction of this is really high quality. This is powder-coated metal here. We've had this for a couple years now, and you can still see that metal finish is still present. We're not seeing any rusting, corrosion. The handle itself is made of wood. It's a bamboo material, solid construction. Then you've got a little hole on the end here, so if you want to hang this in the garage, you can have a hook and just hang it on there, or put a little rope through here and use that to hang it. So very simple, but great design for this product. And we're gonna go out there and pull some weeds. So you can see here we've got a little garden bed, and we've got this weed that's kind of growing in our hosta. We're gonna use the Grampa's weeder to quickly extract that without having to bend over and strain our back. All you're doing is centering the prongs over the weed, and then you're leaning back, which pinches down on the weed at the root. And there you go. So that's a pretty big weed. Simply removed with the Grampa's weeder, just a little leaning back, and it just pulls that thing right out. Here's just a flurry of other weeds that we have in here, and you can see just how quickly we're able to just pull them up. So you can see there, we just pulled up a lot of weeds in just a matter of a minute or so using Grampa's weeder. So this thing, it's easy to use. It's kind of like a game. You just have to center the prongs over the weed, lean back, and then out it goes. So definitely a highly recommended tool for anybody that does any sort of yard work.